Gardner was in Colorado Springs today answering questions from constituents, but it wasn't a town hall, rather a meeting not open to the public. That actually has some concern that their voices aren't being heard.
The kinds of opportunities that people who have different opinions that are expressing themselves just a few feet away from here.
Cory Gardner took questions from the small crowd of about 75 people at Cheyenne Mountain Resort.
I would like to see the Bureau of Land Management located in Grand Junction, Colorado.
He was invited to speak by the Colorado Springs Chamber of Commerce, and only members were permitted to attend.
I've talked to a number of employees and businesses and chambers around the state.
During the third and second to last question, a mariachi band interrupted Gardner.
Several of our community members have requested for community meetings on town halls that actually invite the whole community.
The group's program director says Latinos in Colorado have been trying to speak to the senator, but haven't been successful.
Yes, constantly. We have had several opportunities that we have requested from his staff to have meetings with the Latino community, and he has not really been responsive.
While Senator Gardner was inside, there were at least a couple dozen protesters outside, wondering if they'll ever get a chance to meet with him face to face. So what brings you out here today?
Trying to get access to our political system. I am not a paid protester. I'm unemployed.
If I had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Gardner, I would first of all ask for him to hold a public, accessible town hall. There are lots of us that would love that opportunity.
We've held dozens of forums, town halls over the past many years, held a number of teletown halls just in the past several weeks. I think we've had over 44,000 people who've participated in our teletown halls.
No, he hasn't had an in-person town hall. He's had multiple telephone town halls, but no one from Colorado Springs has gotten through with a question. So we're not being heard.
Now, Gardner did speak at the meeting and talk about health care, taxes, and the president's budget proposals, which include cutting the EPA, and he assured the crowd that it's just a proposal, doesn't mean that it will be approved. Now, he also did add that he hopes to have another teletown hall. In the meantime, if constituents want to reach out to him, he encourages them to go through his local office.